Ever feel like email is a mess? Let me show you how easy it is to use Gmail. So Gmail is a free email service from Google that makes managing your messages super simple. You can send emails, organize them with labels, and even search for old messages in seconds. It's like having a superpower for your inbox. Let me show you or walk you through the basics so you can get started. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use gmail.com, and I hope everything's doing well firstly, and let's just getting started right now. So all I have to do right now is just sign up with your email. Of course you already have an email, and then you'll find here like that. It's just like this one, or you can just here dive into my google.com and you log in your email, or you can just here upload or download your Gmail application. All right, so right now let's just discover all these things. Firstly, we'll find here in the top left the button of compose. Once you click over compose, you'll find here this one. I will just here click over here and it will start showing you and explain you how you can do that. So I will just here add my account like that, and then I will add a subject as well. For example, we have this subject. For example, let's just add in asking for advices, for example. Then we'll find here also, so let's just come back right now and I will add, for example, hey, I hope everything's doing well, everything. So you will find here like that, and I will just click over here the button of tab, find it like that. Here we have it, as you can see, everything is well with you. And then I will add here, I just wanted some advices, for example, some advices for some problems. Could you help me? Could you help me? For example, like that. It's just an example. Then you have just to here use these options. For example, if you did a mistake, you click over here to come back. Read also. They will find here also here add when, for example, we have a sans serif, we have here serif, fixed width, and we have here wide, narrow, comic, some miss, and we have here garment. So that's fine. So you have just to select the one you want. For example, this one, and we have here various things. For example, wide, and then we have also here this one. You have to select if you want a huge, for example, if you want to also here large, if you want to also normal, and then you'll find here small. Then if you want to make it bold as well, want to make it italic, want to underline. Then we have the text color. About the text color, find here the background color how you want it. As you can see, about the background, I will select it here gray, and then I will select the black one with this one, so it's good like that. So it's just like that. You have just to click over here and select the background color and the text color. Then you will find also here other things such as, for example, alignment. Then you'll find here numbered list. Then you find here bottled list. Then we have here indent list. Then we have here also indent more. And then we have also here code. If you want to also here right to left, and then we have strict draw, and then we have here remove formatting, and then if you want to send, you click over here in these buttons below, and then if you want to schedule send as well, and you select here for this morning, this afternoon, Monday morning, and also if you want to pick a date, you click over here and you start picking date, for example, and you have just to select it like that, and the schedule as sent. Then you get started with this one and you send it right now. All right, then we have also here formatting options. You just click over here to appeared or disappeared. Then we have here for attach files. You click over here from your computer, and you have just to follow the names. We can just search for it. Then we have also here, if we wanna insert link, have just to text to write here the text to display. Then we have a link to, for example, if we wanna here email address, or if we wanna web address. For email address, you'll find here what email address this link, or about the web address, you'll find also here this one, and you click over OK once you're done. Then you'll find also here the emoji, and about this one you have just to click over here to insert some emojis. And then you have also here, for example, insert files using Drive. Then we have here also if you want to insert photo. Then we have here toggle confidential mode. So for this one you have just to set an expiration, for example expires in 1 week, expires on 1 day, and then we have a required passcode. For example, passcodes will be generated by Google or no SMS passcode if you want, and then you click over save. Then we have also here other options, for example insert signature. If you want to here manage signature, click over here and to start managing a signature. And then we have also here other options such as default to full screen. For a label, for example label as a social, updates, forms, and promotions. Then we have your plain text mode, print, check spelling. Then we have set up a time to meet. You have just to offer times for you're free, and then you will get started, or you have to create an event. Then here we have it send. You click over here to send it, or you can just let it to click over here as you can see. So alright, so let's just go to the inbox right now and let's just discover other things. For example, we have here start, snows, sent, draft, more, and about more we find here the important chats, scheduled. Then we have all mails, spam, trash as well. Then we have here categories, social updates, and other things. Then you have just to click over labels to create new label as you can see. And here we have new label. You have just to enter a new label name. Then we have your next label, enter. You have just to select it, and then you get started and you create it like that. Alright, so let's just right now go to the settings to more understand about how it works with Gmail and how you can modify other things. For example, you have just to go to the settings and you click over see all settings, and you will find other page which is this one as you can see. About this one you'll find here other options. For example, we have a general, labels, inbox, accounts, and import, filters, and blocked addresses, forwarding, and pop. So about the first one, find here general. If you want to hit short and mid, advanced, offline, and teams, then we have here select the language. Example, we have Gmail display language. We have changed language settings for other Google products. You have just to select here the one you want, and then if you want to change language you have just to click over here to change the language settings. Here we have also phone numbers, maximum page size, default behavior, images, dynamic email, grammar, spelling, autocorrect. If you want to hear also here smart compose, personalization, conversation, view, nudges. Then we have your smart reply, smart features and personalization. Smart features and personalization are Google products and package, for example, keyboard, shortcuts, button labels, my picture, create contacts for autocomplete, important signals for ads, signature for I create new. Click over here and you create a new signature name. Then we have also other things that could help you. For example, here subject, first day, vacation, respond off or respond on. And then, for example, we have other options such as here short and mid, advanced, offline, and teams. Then we have also here labels, inbox, accounts and import, filters and blocked addresses, forwarding and pop, and we have add-ons as well. And that's Gmail. It's pretty simple once you get the hang of it. And honestly, it makes email way easier. Don't stress if it feels a little confusing at first. I'm here if you need help. Just give it a try and soon it will be cruising through your inbox like a pro. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.